Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how to send email from Excel with attachment using macros. For that, let me jump into Visual Basic Editor by pressing Alt F11. I need to insert a module and I need to start with a subroutine. Before getting into the code, one thing we need to understand: to exploit the Outlook objects within Excel VBA, rather to access the Outlook library, I need to set up a reference point so that Excel can talk to Outlook and access the Outlook library and objects so that we can declare variables and exploit them. If I don't connect that, this is called early binding, and if I don't set up the reference, what happens if I declare a variable called dim ML app, because I want to use the mail app as Outlook, you can see that Outlook library is not available. So let me do one thing. Let me go to tools and then go to references. So I need to search for Outlook, Microsoft Outlook objects library, wherein I can connect that. Yeah, this is called Microsoft Outlook 16 objects library. 16 is the number of the version of Office I'm using. In this case, I'm using Office 365. That is why it is showing 16, and it will show different number for you based on your application, and say OK. Now, if I say Outlook, I can get that library dot application. So now I can manipulate the objects of Outlook within Excel VBA. The next variable to be declared is mail item. So dim ML item as Outlook dot mail item. So now I need to define variables. Set ML app equal new Outlook dot application, and then set ML item equals ML app dot create item, that is Outlook mail item. So I need to now make sure the mail item opens up, that is new mail opens up and it displayed. For that, ML item dot display. So if I run this code, you can see one new mail item added. So I'll be pressing F8, 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 and after pressing F8 here, you can see the new mail item has been created, and now we are actually adding the to and CC and BCC, etc. Instead of writing every time mail item dot something, I'm using with and with option. So with ML item, first thing is it has to be displayed, and then to, the to address is the email ID, and then dot CC equal, I'm just adding the same email ID for the time being, and then dot BCC also I am adding the same thing. Now the subject is hi there. You can write anything within double quotes, hi there, and then the body format is it's HTML, and then body, what text you want to write, hello, how are you. This can be expanded with HTML coding, but I'm just writing a simple body text, and then on attachments add, that is I need to give the source D Vijay and Vijay.pdf, because I know this particular item is there in that location. I need to make it within double quotes. So finally I want to send this email, so dot send and then end with. Now let me test this code. So again, pressing the debugging like F8, 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 item displayed, to address added, CC, BCC, subject and body text, and then attachment, and finally I need to send this. Now you can see the item is now attempted to send, and there is an outbox item which was now gone out of the outbox, and now it is in sent items. Soon I'll get this email as an inbox item. So that way you can create a simple macro to send any mail attachment from Excel. Also you can create a loop, and you can create Excel sheets as files, and then you can attach them and send it to different recipients. I'm coming up with many videos, but I request you to come up with your own interest with what you wanted to do with this kind of macro, so that I can create a customized macro for you. Hope you like this and understood the concept. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comment section. And if you like it, kindly share with many, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that as and when I upload a new video, you'll be getting updates. Thank you very much.